Hello from me, Lazar Hristov. We continue with the next lesson on creating a website from scratch, as we work on my second book, which I haven't actually included here yet. It's on my other website for the Lazarus IDE, in the section where the web design books are. It's called Master Techniques in X3 and Adaptive and Responsive Design, and it's essentially part 2 of the book. And right now we are looking at the theoretical first chapter of it, specifically the first section about adaptive design. We have now reached the units of measurement for adaptive images, and today we'll look at the next part of this topic, the use of the new units of measurement introduced in X3, which are viewport units related to the visible area of the screen. These are their abbreviations: for viewport height, for viewport width, vmin, and vmax. Starting with the letter V, which is short for viewport. Here's what they mean. They are actually 1/100th of the width of the visible area, and V is 1/100th of the height of the visible area. Vmin is 1/100th of the smaller dimension, and vmax is of the larger one. I'll demonstrate the use of the first two units, which are the most commonly used ones. They are actually quite similar to percentages, but there is one difference. We can draw an analogy with the m and rem units of measurement. Percentages, as you know, are calculated relative to the parent container, while the new viewport units are calculated based on the viewport itself, meaning they don't depend on the nesting level, which is very important. Let's look at the same example we did with percentages, but instead of 100% we'll set the width to 70 and center the image. Here's what this part of the code will look like, and here's what it will look like on the screen. And here's how it will look on a mobile phone. That's all for this lesson. Best regards.